Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Wednesday, and it has been a while. If you've been wondering where I've been at and where my daily update videos have been, um, I have been sick the last week and a half. Yeah, I came down with some pneumonia and just had a really bad cough. Did not feel good. Had body ache, high fever, and yeah, I didn't really feel like doing much. So the daily videos were missing. I wasn't streaming the last 2 days. I've been streaming again, and I feel good again. And man, I tell you what, once you've been sick and then you feel good again, you're just a little bit extra thankful for your health and a little bit more appreciative for feeling well. And that's how I feel right now. I'm very blessed and feeling good. So and this video is going to be a little bit longer video. I'm going to try and catch you guys up on what you guys have missed the past week and a half and where I'm at on my accounts. And then I want to get back to just doing the daily, trying to do just a very short video and a daily video update at the end of every day and keep you guys up to par for those that want to follow along and for those that care, I guess. So um, first of all, so the 150K account is this account here. This is the account that we trade on stream live. And then we also I have 19 50K accounts. So we have a total of 20 accounts with Apex that are funded. And the 19 50K accounts, those I trade off stream. And then I just do a daily update video on where I'm at with those accounts. So we'll try and get everything caught up. I'll try to do it as efficiently as possible. So we'll start with the 150K account. Not a whole lot to go over here, but man, what a sell-off we had this afternoon. I had a doctor's appointment, and when I left, I ended stream. I think this account was down $42 or something, and came back and saw this huge sell-off. And I actually took a couple trades. I took some red trades, took some, and then I closed with a nice winning trade, and we ended the day $232 in profit. Our account balance on on the 150K account is still in drawdown, about $220 in drawdown. So I do want to make more headway on this account, and I want to be more aggressive. Being sick and everything just didn't help. But I'm hoping here in the next week, I want to be more aggressive. Like I've been saying, this 150K account, the goal for this account is to be more aggressive and to try and get this account to a profit threshold so we can make a withdrawal, pay ourselves, and that's the goal for that account. The 19 50K accounts, those accounts, we're taking it slow and being a little bit more careful with those accounts. So anyway, let me open the TradeZella. So TradeZella is what I use to journal, and this is just a brief overview of where we're at on my 150K account. So you can see here today, this was today's date. This was yesterday. We had $140 in profit. And then we had one more day last Wednesday. This was actually kind of an accidental trade, and it ended up making me $100. So I kept it. And but yeah, you can see here on my recent trades, I was actually in drawdown when I came back, and I tried to short and got stopped out twice in a row really quickly. When we have these big moves, the NQ, it is crazy how much money you can make and lose within just, it looks like such a small move, but it is a lot of dollars. So anyway, I'm happy that we ended the day green. Hopefully we can continue and continue turning this account out of it, getting it out of drawdown. That is the plan and the hope. All right, let's switch to our other screen. Oops, not that one. This one. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is kind of a summary of all of our accounts and kind of did something a little bit different today. I actually usually I trade all 19 of these accounts at the same time. And I actually had a little bit of issues. Here, let me just switch to showing these accounts. So this is the TradeZella report for these accounts. Um, and I forget what video I did the latest where you guys had the update, but I think it was this one. So last Friday I took actually quite a bit of trades and ended up with a $520 loss. And then Monday we had $989 profit. And then today we had around $500 profit. But today I did something a little bit different. I actually broke out this account right here and I traded it on its own, and I traded it with 4 micros instead of just one, and actually caught the move this morning, the trend higher this morning. So yeah, I had a really nice trade and was very happy with it. So I don't know, maybe we'll continue doing that where I break out and just do one account and go maybe 4 micros. My parameters for these accounts is 250. So $250 is my profit goal per account, which we hit on this one. And then my max loss per account is $85. So the max I can lose per account, and that's set up using Guardian Angel Trader. The max I can lose on these 1950K accounts is $85 per account. And then my profit goal for each account is 250. So I might do that. I might try and be a little bit more aggressive on this. Here is obviously our 150K account, but we might just kind of pick and choose an account and be a little bit more aggressive and just kind of cycle through those accounts. I'm still probably going to trade all 20 accounts also at the same time, or all 19 accounts, I guess. But yeah, today broke out one account, and then the rest of the day, I actually just kind of broke out. I think I traded these, this one, and this one, I think at the same time. I actually had a little bit of issue with the trade copier where it filled me on one account but didn't fill me on the other. So anyway, that's why some of these account balances are a little bit off. But anyway, overall, I'm happy with where I'm at on these 50K accounts. It's kind of been a slow, I guess, slow progress, you could say. But I've also not, you can see on my accounts here, I have really not been trading them that much. If we go back to the month of November, I was trading them quite a bit. And right in here, I was trading them quite a bit and not having some red days. And then I was also not trading well on my other accounts. So that's kind of why I took a break. And then I also was sick. So that's also why I just kind of took a break from those accounts. So if I'm trading well, I'm going to be more aggressive on these accounts. And if I'm not trading well, I'm just going to let them go. I'm just going to leave them and try not to force things on these accounts. Take it slow. And for those that might ask, I'm sure there's probably someone going to ask if I'm going to try and participate in the 80K challenge that Apex has right now. The answer is no. I will not be doing that. If you're unfamiliar, here, let me turn off my browser. But if you're unfamiliar with Apex and what they're doing, whoops, why is this? There we go. So Apex right now is running a promotion where they have a 1-day pass eval, which basically means you can pass an eval in 1 day. And kind of with that, they're also doing this promotion for if you get 80K in payouts, which would be 2 payouts of 40K, which would mean you would have to have 20 accounts. and take out 2K per account twice in a month. If you do that, then you also get entered into a contest to win, and whoever wins gets an additional 80K. So, I mean, I guess if some of you out there that are a lot better at trading than I am, and you want to give it a shot, I mean, I'm not one to tell you not to, but for most of us, that is a trap. And it's going to create people and force people to trade more aggressively than they normally do, and there's going to be a lot of blown accounts. So if you do, just be careful and just don't do that, I guess. But again, I guess everyone can do whatever they want. All right, I'm going to leave it at that, and hopefully everyone's up to date now and knows where we're going. And I'm going to try and do these videos at the end of every day so I don't run behind again. So appreciate everyone tuning in. Thank you for your support. Take care. Have a great rest of your evening, and God bless.